Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can display your name on your phone screen. So you'll actually just need to go to the control center here, and you're just going to select the you're going to select this one. Select new focus. I already have one made here. New focus, and then you're going to select custom. Then you're going to name your focus like your actual name. I'll just name mine Nina. Sorry, I know you guys are sick of that meme, but like legit my nickname is Nina. So anyways, select the color that you want and also select the icon you want as well. I'll just like this one because it's so cute, or this one maybe because I'm artistic. Select next. You can also customize your focus if you'd like to. I'm not going to. But basically when your name is selected here and you go to your home screen, it's going to be displayed at the bottom. I can't show you because if I go to home screen, the screen recording will be off and I don't have two phones to record that. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.